something you've probably seen and heard a lot over the last couple of days, and that is lightning. You've seen a lot of it this week, and of course, you've heard a lot of thunder. Quickly, we'll jump into that. Of course, you need warm air, of course, that rises. And then as that warm air rises, it condenses into clouds. Of course, the higher it gets, the top of the clouds, it's colder there, so you have more ice, and updrafts are still rising toward the bottom where you have water droplets. Those two start to collide, and when those collide, we get electrons that start to fall. Of course, you can't see them, but that's how the cloud develops a charge. So we'll take a look a little closer. You can see there's a different charge in there with polarity, with positive charges to the top, more negative charges toward the Earth, and then that creates what we call a difference, of course, voltage between those two. And when that builds up just enough, of course, we end up with getting lightning strikes, which of course is a top killer, of course, in the U.S. Also, one of the other lightning strikes we get a lot is called positive lightning strike, and that happens. Those are very deadly. Those are more deadly than just the regular ones. That's when we have lightning that goes from the anvil, the top of a cloud, all the way to the bottom. And of course, lightning, the beginning of lightning is of course invisible to our eyes. Of course, you need a quick camera to catch it because it starts from the ground up most of the time. But like I said, positive lightning that you're seeing now, that is the deadliest strokes. Also in the wintertime, you can simulate static electricity and lightning when you walk around, when you scrub across a carpet or something like that. You touch, of course, a metal object, a door handle, and you get shocked. That's another way of producing lightning that mostly happens in the wintertime inside the homes. Main reason why is because during the drier air, it's easier for electrons to rub off when you're walking and stuff like that. And in the summertime, when it's moist in the atmosphere actually will rob you of those electrons. So that's the reason why you can run across your carpet now and you won't get shocked, but you do it in November and December, you will get shocked. I'll be back with your WLTZ first weather forecast, where we will have some more storms that will produce some lightning later this afternoon.